In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Exness account safely. First, open your browser and head to the official Exness website. Take a moment to make sure you're on the genuine site to avoid phishing pages. Look for a secure connection indicator in your browser, like the padlock icon, and double check that the domain name is spelled correctly with no extra characters. If you prefer, type the address directly into the address bar rather than clicking ads or unfamiliar links. Saving the correct site as a bookmark can also help you return safely in the future. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Open Account or Sign Up button. It's typically found at the top right of the page. Click it to begin creating your account. The wording may vary slightly by region, but it serves the same purpose. You'll now be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Use an email you can reliably access for future communication and account management. For your password, choose something strong and unique, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites to keep your account secure. A reputable password manager can help you generate and store complex passwords safely. Next, select your country of residence from the list. Make sure this matches where you actually live, as it may influence available features and legal requirements on the platform. Choosing the correct country now helps prevent complications later and ensures your account settings and notifications align with local rules. Before proceeding, take time to read the terms and conditions. This document outlines how the platform operates, your responsibilities as a user, and the key policies that apply to your account. If there's a summary or help section, use it to understand the main points, such as service availability, risk disclosures, and how your information is handled. Only accept the terms if you fully agree with them. When you're ready, check the acceptance box and click Next or Continue to move forward. That's it. You visited the official site, started the sign-up process, provided your email and password, selected your country of residence, and accepted the terms to proceed. For a smoother experience, consider using a stable internet connection and a device you trust. If a page doesn't load or something looks off, pause and recheck the website address before entering any details. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps carefully and you'll set up your Exness account safely and confidently.